Well, this is going to be something of a audio video test. Got my old tripod and the bracket for my cell phone mount to stabilizer, and then there's my little SJ6 that has a real good image stabilization on it. However, I didn't get the right mounting brackets for that microphone isolation device that is right there. That's the little windscreen for the little mini microphone. It's actually a lapel mic, but I had to, when I bought this little aftermarket acoustic noise cancellation bracket, it was for a different microphone and it didn't fit, so I had to kind of make a little adapter for it out of a piece of PVC and some 3M fix-it tape to mount the microphone in that. And this whole thing had to be rigged up to hold the camera and the microphone in close enough proximity to keep from getting the noise that I was getting on the internal mic. Headlight lenses, because these have crazed over the years, and even though I've got them looking somewhat clear, they're cracked internally so bad that I can't fix that at all. But what I have done is I'm using my little SJ6 action camera, but the internal mic on it was always picking up noise through the tripod or through the gimbal when I was using the stabilizer, and I was always getting a little motor noise through it, not to mention wind noise and things like that. So I bought this little aftermarket SJ6 lapel mic that also has windscreens on it, little furry things that go around it. You'll see a picture of that in the video. But it didn't. I didn't have anything to attach it to, so I've had to do some makeshift bracket work. And this is just a test to see if the audio sounds okay. You can hear all the cicadas in the background, and because it's a hot day, and there's plenty of wind blowing, so I don't know if we're going to get wind noise or not. You just have to see. But that at least concludes the test. And after this, we're going to change out these headlights.